Okay, so we have seen comparing of like fractions and unlike fractions. I have done example with 3 fractions. The same method can be applied for even 4 fractions also. Okay, now in case we have only 2 fractions given, no need to apply that method. We can use this method to compare when we have only 2 fractions, when we have to compare only 2 fractions. Okay, this I have already told. Once again I'll tell. This is now I have to compare 3 by 4 and 1 by 12. Okay, now first one, what I have to do is write the fractions, leave some gap here and write the fractions like this. Then remember we did like this. Now first multiply 3 into 12, write exactly below this, write exactly below the first fraction. Next you have to multiply 4 into 1, okay, and write exactly below this. So 12 threes is 36 and 4 ones is 4. Now which is bigger? 36 is bigger. So this fraction is greater than 1 by 12. This is the way we do. This is called cross multiplication method. So remember, the first numerator and the second denominator you will multiply and write it here. Then this first denominator and the second numerator you will multiply and keep it here. Then you do the comparison, which is smaller and which is greater, and the fraction which is just above that will be the fraction here, and the fraction above this you have to write it here and do your comparison. This is called cross multiplication comparison. Okay, now in page number 155 we have checkpoint. Okay, that checkpoint has to be done by you. In that checkpoint, a bit and b bit are write the fractions in ascending order, and in b bit write the fraction in descending order. In a bit 1 and 2 are very easy, that both you have to do. I'll do third bit in a bit and third bit in b bit. Okay, that are fractions for comparing. So first one is, this is a bit. Okay, in that third bit they are asking to put these fractions into ascending order. Okay, put these fractions into ascending order. 4 by 6, 3 by 8, 5 by 16 and 6 by 12. If you observe, these all are unlike fractions. These all are unlike fractions with different denominators. Okay, we'll start the solution. Try to recap. First step. What is first step? I said you have to take LCM of denominators. Okay, so 6, 8, 6, 8, 16 and 12. Start with 2, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are. Then 2 3s are, 2s are, 4s are, 3s are. Then 3 1s are, 2s are, 4s are, 1s are. Then 2 1s are, 1s are, 2s are, 1. So you will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, this is 4, 6 and 2. 4, 6 and 2. That is 24 into 2. You will get 48. So our LCM is 48. Okay, now coming to step 2. Okay. Okay, now we have to change the given fractions into like fractions with the help of LCM. Take the first one. Okay, in 6 table when 48 will come, 6 8s are 48. So this also you will multiply. So 8 4s are 32 by 48. This is our first new fraction. Next 3 by 8. When we will get 48? 6 are. So I'll write 6. This is 18 by 48 is my second new fraction. Okay. Then 5 by 16. 16 3s is 48. It is 15 by 48. Okay. Then 12. 12 4s are 48. So 6 4s are 24 by 48. So we got our new set of fractions. This will put them in ascending order. Okay. So if we observe, what did we get? This is step 3. Now in step 3, okay, we will put them in ascending order. That is what they have asked in the question. So 32 by 48 and 18 by 48. I am writing the fractions which we got. I didn't put it in order till now. I am just writing the fractions which I got. See, 32 by 48, 18 by 48, 15 by 48, 24 by 48. Now these all became like fractions. Now you compare the numerators. Ascending means small to big. In this, which is smaller? 15 by 48, okay, is smaller than 18 by 48, is smaller than 24 by 48, and 32 by 48. Still our answer is not over. Though you have kept the fractions in ascending order, but these are not the original fractions what they have asked in the question. Okay, so we need to write the original fractions of these fractions. Okay, now 15 by 48, what was? That is 5 by 16. So you will write 5 by 16. 18 by 48 is 3 by 8. So you will write 3 by 8. Now 24 by 48 here. That is 6 by 12 and 4 by 6. Understood? So this is what he has asked for in the question. So I am just recapping what we have done. Step 1, LCM of the denominators. Step 2, changing all the given fractions into like fractions with the help of LCM. Step 3, arrange them in ascending and descending order. Then write their original fractions from the question. Okay. Now this is what we do for comparing of unlike fractions. Okay. Now similarly in B-bit also do the same method and you will get the answer. Instead of ascending, you need to put them in descending, that is big to small, and you can finish off that checkpoint on your own. Okay. Have a nice day, children.